I guess finally, guys, finally. Damn, YouTube. Finally, we got this one sorted out. Good morning, good day, good evening, good whatever. Hope you had a great time, guys. We were having YouTube loading up for nothing for 15 minutes. Right? They did their best stopping me of not streaming today, but here we are. Our consistency is in point. And here we go. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. They didn't want you to see the performance of the Lucid Big Belly accounts. That's what it happened. That's what it happened. They don't want you to see that it is possible to achieve lovely numbers. Good day, good morning. Thank you, guys. I haven't traded today at all. Good to see you, fellas. Good to see you. Time to share the presentation. Come on, let's go ahead and do it. Pretty much all the trading groups existing on the earth need to know about us. We're live. Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, all the trading groups, all the groups. You guys are... Feel free to share the video. Come on. It is a collective exercise we're doing. Friends, neighbors, anyone that is wondering why and how you're making $100,000 a year from prop firms would like to discover this, feel free to notify. Ha ha ha. Oh, here we are. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Good evening, good day. Good to have you onboarded here. What's happening on the 15 minute? Well, we're finding support from the weekly VWAP. Anything above 800 stays bullish. 886 for today's high. Let me see what happened for yesterday numbers. Oh, 984, an easy target. And I can tell you something, last week's high, 30,074 is going to be an easy target for the week. What do we expect from CPI, PPI coming through on Wednesday and Thursday? So, you guys want to get your accounts ready for some of the strongest shots. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna trade our Lucid accounts. We're gonna trade our FundedSeat, Blusky, continue. Look at that. Our Blusky is heavy. The Blusky is heavy on evaluations. Look at that. It is. It is heavy on evaluations. We're going to start trading with this instant funded, which, as I told you yesterday, I'm not really planning having it active. I'm going to go quite aggressive. 70 micros. I just want to create some space, guys, for my other accounts. This is an instant funding bolt. We cashed out on the first cycle from this. It's fine. We need space for their ultra plan. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Yeah, we got a ton. 12 evaluations for FundedSeat Ultra. That's the plan for August. 15 to 20 grand on the table. Oh yeah, 15 to 20 grand at the table. Let me send you the links. You guys know Scrembo coupon code for the best experience in terms of the prices, along with some luckiness that comes with it. I'll get out of this trade is not good. But I do not need this account anymore. That's the thing. Yeah, we have $1,000 drawdown left. I want to have 5 room for my Ultra accounts. Let me test out a short. I don't need this account. From the FundedSeat, we should have requested 250. I haven't. We should have requested 250. I haven't. I'm gonna get it today. The account is here, 104.56. We're gonna request today 250 on that. Come on. Time to lose this account and make space for my Ultra accounts. I want to have 5 Ultra and go for that $100,000. There you go. Beautiful. Is it over? 7:33. Is it over? No, it's not. We still have 270 bucks. We're going to lose that the next day because we touched max loss limit for the day. Not to worry, guys. Not to worry. We cashed out from this account. And I no longer have the plan to trade it. Giveaways will start soon. I want to focus on the Ultra. Good morning, good day. Weekly opening, 8:51. Market's going heavy about it. Look at the way we were perfectly bouncing on yesterday's low. Perfectly bouncing. Wow. It's time to trade. Our funded account of FundedSeat. Or should I start with the evaluations? We've got 2 funded accounts of FundedSeat Ultra. The daily payouts, no consistency, uncapped. The one we made 4,000 yesterday and this one that made 1,200. I'm going to trade this one for sure, and I'm going to trade some more evaluations. We got a ton. For example, the 3 evaluations yesterday we lost. This one's. Let me see what's the name of the game. We only have 500 bucks drawdown. Oh. Let's see if we can save this. We only have $500 drawdown. Let's see if we can save this 3 evaluations. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Copy trading 3 accounts here. 500 bucks left for the drawdown. Turning back the copy trader. Not to worry, Richards. Not to worry. You're gonna do well next time. Oh yeah. We have a lot of the people reaching payouts from giveaway accounts. A lot of the people. Good morning, good day. Make sure to be part of our Discord community, guys. We have some great members. Good morning, good day. I'll open up my Quant Tower too. Oh, look at that. Dart Trader Pro, first payout from a giveaway. Think about it. I am testing along here for this one. 500 bucks drawdown. Let's see if we're capable to do something here. Are we? That is the name of the question. No, probably not. Probably not. The reaction is missing. Damn, bulls are missing out. $500, yeah. It's gone, 538. So this is gone. This is gone too. This is gone too. Beautiful. Continuing with the next three. We're going to stop this, delete this copy trading group. We don't need it anymore, and continue with the other three, which have a $2,000 profit, and that's really good. Therefore, we only need to do here 4,000 more. Yeah. I'm thinking about this levels. Anything around levels below 820. Below 820. Should be meaningful. Thank you once again for joining. Here's the giveaway link. I'm testing out along here based on the 1 minute reaction from a pretty interesting liquidity spot here on the left side. And here we go, the movement. 844. Quick scalp, $370 for that. Anything is good for this accounts. I'm feeling great. Which copy trader? The copy trader integrated in the volumetrica with the deep charts. Keith. This copy trader is integrated in the platform for volumetrica. That's why I like it. I like volumetrica from a variety of standpoints. One of the reasons is the ability to have an integrated copy trader with great accuracy and functionalities. 920 is great. You're going for something stronger on the swing. I'll target something little, 450s. A quick scalp, needing another 6 points from here. I'm targeting $2,000 for these 3 accounts today. We're copy trading for 3 accounts. FundedSeat Ultra, daily payouts, no consistency, uncapped. Yeah. Oh, welcome guys. US-based firm. Already got the email. Account failed, account failed, account failed. 3 emails. Well, my strategy was to grab 12 accounts, 12 evaluations of 100K from Ultra. And to be able to pass out of the 12, minimum 6. I mean, with 6, I would be happy, guys. Because I'm doing copy trading at the moment. 3, 3, 3, 3. It's 4 groups of 3. One group of 3 is gone. The other group of 3 is traded right now, which already has 2,000 profit. And the other 2 groups of 3 have not been touched yet, but will be touched today. That's what we're going to do. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. adding a little more to this and increasing my target. I like this movement so far. We're going to target $2,000 for the day on this 3 accounts. Beautiful. Keep it going. Oh, just a little more. And I guess I'm out here. $434, guys. Absolutely lovely. $434. I'll take that all day long. It's very important for me. We're trading, copy trading 3 accounts, so we're almost halfway through passing this evaluations. And if I succeed having a 50%, 50 on 12 accounts, making 6% for the evaluation, and I'm gonna have 6 ready to go. Big Bear Carlos, good luck with that one, buddy. When did you get it? Did you get it earlier today? Congratulations on that. Yeah. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, everyone. Great to have you on board, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Keep in mind, you have to like the video. The first giveaway will start soon, and you have to be prepared. No, Morello, sorry to hear that. You're gonna get back in business, buddy. Matter of time. Looks like I have some... The algo changes every few times. Yes, Solitude, yes. They're working on a regulatory side for the European countries. We have the flat opening soon, guys. Not much behind it. I've tested for a little long here. 15 contracts. Nothing wild. 20. Would it take profit a little higher? $30. I've DCA'd more. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Ha 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 ha. Oh. $8.55 for my exit on $1,000 profit. We're riding for a glorious exit there. It's gonna be $1,000 profit. Weekly opening right around the corner here. Come on, push above it, push above. I'm DCAing more. I don't think this is gonna be representing any form of a powerful rejection here. I don't think this whole candle is gonna get denied. I don't think that. It is possible, but it's not likely, right? It is possible, but it's not likely for this whole green candle we just managed to do to disappear. If they do that on me, we have a great target, 854. Basically, the weekly opening rejecting on me, but there's 3 minutes to go for this candle, and the next one could be the juice. Right? The next one. It is a very interesting model that we're having with the lows getting pushed higher and higher, just like with the highs getting pushed lower and lower. That's what happens here. I just longed my Lucid Daily. The 3 accounts of Lucid Daily were trading. Lucid Daily evaluations, 3 accounts were running. I'll check that out, NQ Contract Killer. I'll check that out, no worries. NQ Contract Killer, drop me a message right now in Discord. Wondering about the next scandal, guys. A 5-minute here. What are we up to? We're pretty exposed for longs. Pretty exposed. We have Lucid Daily longs. We have the big belly accounts on longs. And we've got the ultra accounts on longs with FundedSeat. And I'm probably going to log my Blusky as well. The evaluation where we got to do 1,400 to pass the evaluation. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm longing it. We're long. Wow. Such a massive retracement. Look at that candle, guys. Such a massive retracement. Oh. This is not really favorable of trading in normal conditions. Paul Trader. Which model of account? Propel, you have 34%, yes. Propel, 34. In valuation, until you earn a buffer, you have 34. And then in the funded stage above the buffer, you no longer have consistency. You're free of that. I'll get out of my Blusky. I'll probably get out of my FundedSeat too and go for a better entry. I'm out. 589 profit, that's good. And I'm probably have to get out of my Lucid ones too. Back in my longs for FundedSeat and Blusky. Not only just, and for FundedSeat, I'm extremely. Oh yes, you're 50. You're 70 micros. 70 micros. 70. Yeah. Liquidity sweep. Smart money. Thank you, contract killer. Let me send you something else. This one. $80 contracts, guys. 80 contracts. We kind of have a little exposure here, are we? Oh. Give that one a try, NQ contract. Randall Paul Trader, your 50k launch is 50% consistency for the evaluation and 34 till you earn your buffer. Above the buffer is no consistency. I'm not really enjoying the way that sits here and it's not moving. The next 5 minutes is going to be decisive for me. We have a few seconds to go for this candle. Better stay something like this. Better stay something around the 40s, 45, 50s, but certainly not below 40s. Not below 40s. Do not dare closing below 40s. Better stay this way. And the current 5-minute candle is an opportunity. We got our longs for the Lucid. And I'm not feeling that good about this whole thing. Beautiful. That's a beautiful reaction, I can tell you. Nah. Where is the continuation? It's nowhere to be found. Damn. Can we get past that 851 weekly opening? I'll check that out. NQ contract a little later. Yes, Colombia. I'm very sorry to hear that. Very sorry for that whole situation, Colombia. Oh my gosh, look at the push. We got it the other way. We got it the other way around. Right, so the weekly opening dumped. Oh. Oh. Are you gonna snap my... Yeah. We're probably... So... Look at that. What a failure from the price action. Weekly opening 851 supply delivering top notch. And this is max loss limit. Yeah. Enjoy the 50k. Enjoy the 50k. That's a great one. Our blue sky is still here. We got to connect the next evaluations. It is what it is. Six more remaining. Six more remaining. We'll be doing copy trading on 3. Again, a new round of 3. Good morning, good day. This is an interesting level. This is an interesting level. For a choppy continuation bouncing. Choppy continuation bouncing. Yeah, I'm watching this carefully. It's going to be very important to earn that 2,000 here on this 3 today and advance. Out of 12 evaluations we've got, and we've got 12 evaluations for a reason. It's because we have 2 funded that we can take daily payouts, and we can finance the whole thing from there. The one we made 4,000 yesterday and 1,100. On the other. So, but out of this 12 evaluations, 6 are gone, and the other 6 we just beautiful. That's a beautiful movement. Come on. That's what we're trading today. This kind of silly price action, guys. You know, I'm not going to sleep on this, and we'll take profits. Earlier, this is what we had. A 1 minute candle like this, and then nothing afterwards. But a silly retracement, taking it all below the starting point. $2,000 is my target. Add a little more to this. $8.45 for my exit. And that's going to be directly $2,000. Yeah, 820s, 830s were good on your side. 822 is the average of the entry after a fresh DCA. Let's see, what do we get from here? Supposed to have that 845 if the structure remains bullish for a retest of minimum 851. Shouldn't be a big deal. Yeah. As soon as I finish this trade, guys, we're starting the first giveaway. Remember, like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. I'm adding a little more to this. $842 target. Hadisi a little more. 840s for my exit, guys. And probably I'm gonna long my funded account too with some limit orders here. There you go. I'll taking them out. Nah, I'll stick to the evaluations for the moment. Tap 1 trader. I think we're with the tap 1 futures. A31. Good morning, good day. Great to have you onboarded. You can test it. So not the futures, but the trader. Very unlikely, very unlikely, very unlikely, but you can test it. Yes, it's their firm, exactly. I don't know if it works for their CFD, probably not. Max drawdown is 3,000. 3,000. This is looking better, guys. Even for my Blusky account, this is what it means to go decent sizing and have a lot of drawdowns. But this is very important because we're trading 3 accounts copy traded here on FundedSeat Ultra. First day, 3 accounts of 100k copy traded. So that 2000 in first day is going to be heavy. That's going to be heavy. As soon as I finish this trade, we start with the first giveaway. 865. You know, we have the 5-minute algo, which can give us a lot. And this is happening in 2 minutes. Can give us a lot, basically. The 5-minute algo. Bouncing on the algo line, the red one. I'm not disappointed from what I see. Look at that, 15 points with 65 micros to make $2,000. 15 points. 16 points. For the algos, it works most of the time. 1 minute to go for the algo. I'm not really enjoying that rejection we just had. Oh, look at that. Yeah. A slow up before the 5-minute algo is not bad, that's right. Which is why I'm gonna long my funded account a little bit, 10 contracts only. With a take profit way higher. Could go about a 65, 67 supply. Yeah, 65. This is the funded account, guys, we're running here. And the other ones are evaluations. 841 for my exit, 1 second to go. Look at that. Do something, little algo. Do something, buddy. Keep on going. Not that way, the other way. Oh. Looks like we're having delayed momentum. Where is it, guys? As soon as I finish this trade, we're starting with the first giveaway. Badger is not here. Weekly VWAP 808. Could be the worst case scenario for 808. This is the place we had our limit orders a couple of minutes ago. Decent reaction there, guys. Look at that. Few minutes to go for the market's opening. 3 minutes. I'm not going to be able to hold on these positions for a while, especially not for the opening on the evaluation. So I need to achieve that 841 before the opening. And there is a flat level of supply here. And I'm nicely targeting a smart money concept liquidity sweep right above. Part of the imbalance candle. My target is part of the imbalance candle, which is getting hunted. So the thing is not about hitting my target. The problem is the way we get there. If we do another 40, 50 points down on my 65 contracts is bad, because I'm not going to be able to take that. Right? If we do that movement down before we take it for the upside, look at the beautiful. Oh, that was so close. That was so freaking close, and it didn't touch my 840. Oh, there you go, finally. 841, guys. Target hit. 3 accounts evaluation made $2,000 plus the funded. What's happening on my funded? $1,100 for my funded. This is nuts. Oh, yeah. Who's in fire? 30 contracts here. Oh yeah, celebration time. Celebration time. This is total madness. Oh yeah, finally it paid off. Boom. Finally and nicely paid off. Good job. Good job. Congratulations, guys. Good job. Keep up the good work. There is a minute to go. A minute to go. And I might sell half of it. Let me see what do we get right now. I might sell half of it and leave the rest open. This is a funded account, guys. Which means I'm running on daily payouts, no consistency, uncapped. I'm just looking forward to taking this one to 104 before I take out the minimum 250. Yeah. I don't want to take anything out right now because the max loss is original balance plus 100. So I'm too close to that, right? I need more money before I request my first payout. Yeah, a few more seconds to go. I'm selling half. I sold half with stop loss and break even. Yeah, I sold half. Best of luck, everyone. Break even touched. Not an issue. We secured half of that profit. And we're going to be backing along here. Trust me. Backing along here. Yeah. You know, I'm longing basically weekly VWAP, 200 EMA, daily VWAP. The only concern is the daily opening 764, but I would be able to digest that on my sizing. So if it goes here, I don't mind. I can digest that from my sizing. I can digest this from the sizing. Look at that. Damn. 764 was not touched. Let's see, what do we got here? I DC it right now, little. Yeah, I DC it right now. We touched the daily opening, guys. Now, better watch out. We're touched the daily opening here. Of DC8. Better watch out. Any cap on Blue Sky before live? Well, they said not really. Not really. But you can have 3 in the funded stage and unlimited in the evaluation and buffer stage. Obviously, if you're taking tens of thousands, they're going to take you to live. This is the candle I need some strength, guys. I don't want to see this one going down. Nah. Damn. Stop playing games like this with me. This is a freaking funded account. Damn, look at that, guys. We had a lovely pressure coming in. Lovely pressure. Even right now, it has to hold. Daily opening is right there. Give me those lovely numbers. I'll probably DCA the next candle. Can we get the next candle green of 1 minute? Yeah, right now. This one. Can we get this one green? Release the pressure. Release the pressure, buddy. Damn. Release the pressure. Fourth candle of 1 minute in a row. Deciding to push. Nah, this is bad. Damn, this is so bad, guys. We're probably going to lose this. This is surprisingly bad how they pushed the candle we just closed after two such situations on the daily opening. This is so rarely appearing, basically. Right, so the candle we just closed, that red one, most of the time, that's green after a situation like that attached to the daily opening. I have to get out here. I'll take $2,500 loss. And I'll have $400 drawdown left. It is what it is. This is a funded account. You know, I'm gonna exit in a low probably. But the next 5 minutes. Yesterday's low 718. Yeah, I'm taking my shot again from here. With another entry over there. And another one here. Now we're fully loaded and it's just $150 to max loss. That's incredible dump. It's gone. Yeah. It's gone. The funded is gone. Unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah. There is no let's go. A FundedSeat flexes. Sorry, FundedSeat Ultra funded. Yeah. Has been smashed. At least we got 3 evaluations making 2,000. We're gonna copy trade the other 3. Unbelievable silly price action model we got here. Yeah. Look at that. Here it comes. Yeah. Nvidia, Russell. Here it comes, guys. The reaction. Yesterday's low. It's there. Here we go. Already 50 points. Damn. This is actually a first dominant red day for August on the account side. I'm longing it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to a strong recovery in the next 5-minute candle. We'll see. I might be biased for the wrong side. The problem is we have the 666 today's low quite close to this. And they might want to sweep that as well before we reverse. 764 is going to be my target. Not going to target anything lower. Look at that, guys. That's going. 766. At least we have that funded with 4,000 bucks inside. If I need the money, I can just take everything out and blow it up. But I don't think that's the right way. I want to have 5 funded before I start taking tens of thousands. So I'm just going to take the minimum. Come on, buddy. Pretty good looking so far here. Yeah. If there is momentum right now, the next candle is going to be quite strong and green. This one that we just opened. I've DC'd into this. 15 contracts. One more DCI. Target is 775. Look at that one for $2,000 copy traded on 3 accounts. This is going to be pretty good. We just have to cross that 740s, 750s. There you go, guys. Come on, land it. Land it. Landed, guys. 1,000 profit, 1,100. Keep it going. I like this so far. Not too bad. It is important not to lose the momentum. Keep it going. Massively unbalanced candle is not going to remain like that from the opening. Look at that, this one. We will attack that candlestick, guys. We will attack it. Let's go. Looks like trading happens to be much better. Added one more contract to this. One more. We're sitting on 30. 765 for my exit, guys. Organically, the price action tells me the pressure is high for the upside. 765, just a few points. And we're good for $2,000 exit. I'm still holding it. But I have to go stop loss break even. This is what we're trading, guys. It's a do or die situation. 20 points for the upside, 10 points for the downside, and getting stopped out. On a profit trailing. Look at that. We touch it. I'll probably have an opportunity to grab a much better entry for the downside. From the downside. Look at that. Massive rejections here, guys. Look at that. Wow. I can have a much better entry. I can have a much better entry. But I'm not taking the shot right now. Not taking the shot at all yet. I'm waiting. And we're doing the giveaways in a few minutes. The first one. We've been really occupied in trading today. Yeah. After the opening, continuous DCing can get hurt. It can hurt you. Today's low, 666. I'm going for my shot from the lows. I'm going for my shot, guys, from the lows. I've set up my limit orders from the lows. Beautiful. Lovely. 20 contracts have been filled. We're already $300 profit. Look at that, 500. Wow, beautiful, guys. The orders have been filled. That was a quite brutal liquidity grab. We swept it. Now, it's time to do something with it. That's my target, 700s. As soon as the new candle opens, I am DCing for a long. Yeah. I think the next candle has a good opportunity. $685 for my exit. 685. Look at that one, guys. Just a little more. That would be so silly not to hit that. 685 in this context. Where are the damn bulls? Was that sweep enough? Was it enough? $680s for my exit. Not looking bad for the moment. Not looking bad at all, guys, here. $656, come on. With DC, we started with 20 with those limit orders, 20 contracts, and now we're sitting on 40s. Interesting, guys. $1,000 max loss for the static 150k blue sky. $1,000 when you start. But remember, with your first $500 or $300 or anything, it's not looking bad either. It's actually looking good right now for my trade. It would be decent the very next candle to be green and follow the pattern here. There is momentum here. I mean, if they take this one down again, it's a shame. It's a shame if they better push this. Look at that. That's a shame, guys. We're not having 2 green candles in a row here. I'm not able to have 5 points of liquidity swept and squeezed. You know, when it starts moving the other way, it's going to gain a lot of momentum. The thing is, the timing. That's the only thing for my trade here. The timing. And I might be left out because of the wrong timing. Again, look at that. That's looking beautiful. Look at that. It didn't touch me. How do you explain it didn't touch me? How did you explain it didn't touch me? How do you explain it didn't touch me? Look at that. I'll have stop loss break even. Wow. I'll have stop loss break even, guys. There's nothing I can do about this. Perfectly. We touch it. Finally. $2,000 over here as well. So we made $2,000 on 6 evaluations today. All this 6 evaluations made $2,000 each, which is a perfect day to kickstart, because we need to do 3 days of 2,000 each. That's perfect. Perfect, guys. Boom. This is perfect for such a day. Perfect. On the other side, the big value accounts are suffering a lot. It's $39,000 down. But we're going to recover from this. Let's do the giveaways, guys. Let's do some of the giveaways. We're going to do 200 grand today. I'm actually going to do more, but in this one, in this session of giveaways, we're going to do 200k. So, let me see, what do I need? Now, I'm very happy about this performance. 6 evaluations making up 2,000 is good. Yeah, we'll recover from that. Not worried. Time for the first giveaway, guys, and we're gonna do 200k. Three accounts of 50k Blusky and one of 50k Lucid Flex. So we're sharing 4 accounts in this one. 4. How do you participate? It's quite simple. Fill up the form. Like the video. Be subscribed. And join the giveaway. Join the Discord too. There is around 60 guys that didn't hit the like. 60 guys. And they're not going to receive the accounts. It's simple. 60 guys that missed out in the participation rules. 60. I'll give you another 5 seconds. The game is simple. You gotta guess the number. Be subscribed. Yeah. Guess the number. All right, everyone, watch out. 00, single 1, single 2. 00, single 1, single 2. You can start right now. Double 0, single 1, single 2. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Keep it going. 00, single 1 and 2. And let's not forget, Maddie's going number 2. You know what happened yesterday with a number 2, Maddie. Alright, guys, you want to say stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. No more guesses, it's over. Shuffle, we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. That's number 2 in green. That's what the paddle shows me. Good luck, guys. Good luck. It's number 2 in green. I told you. That's what the paddle shows me. The whole thing is rigged. Yeah. We didn't hit the brakes, but that's changing today. Pip Guru. You can see that. You can already smell all the way number 2. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. All the way for number 2. Congratulations for winners. You got this. Ha ha ha. And now it's time for the ducks. For the little ducks. Oh, oh, oh. For the little ducks. Let me see for the winners. Well, that was predictable, wasn't it? That was predictable, was it? Ha 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 ha. Good job. Let's wait for the list. Oh, there is a ton of winners here. Wow. $44, 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, everyone. He was right. So, top 3 will receive a 50,000 Blue Sky. Rank number 4 will receive a 50,000 Lucid. 700 is on Nasdaq. Let's go, guys. Come on. Who's going to speed up? Well, I can see... number 7. There you go. Congratulations for the winner. African Indian, NPC World, and Maddie on the 4th. Look at that one, guys. Can you believe it? Maddie on the 4th with the purple duck. He's taking the Lucid. Maddie, you're only taking the Lucid if all the guys in front of you filled up the form. Ha 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 ha. It makes sense, right? Because otherwise, you're taking Blue Sky and the next one after you takes the Lucid. Oh, Maddie. Oh. Ha ha ha. Look at that. So let's see. Let's see if they filled up the form. Your account depends. Your account depends. I don't think this guy filled up anything. Oh, he's here. The 777. He's here. That's crazy, guys. I didn't expect it. But he's here, confirmed. African Indian. Did you? African Indian, did you fill up? Yes, congratulations. Maddie is close for a Lucid. NPC, 100%. He's actually for many months with us. And multiple times winner. So, NPC's here. Maddie, it's your chance. Oh, there you go. Yes. Congratulations. Look at that one, guys. Congratulations. 200K. We're going to continue doing giveaways a little later. Look at a nasty recovery. Wow. 100 points already. Yeah. We're having $25,000 down, and we're down what? 30 what? 35? Yeah, we were down 35 grand earlier. Now it's 25. This is gonna fully recover. I'm not scared. Oh, congratulations, guys. That was a big one. That surely made your day, made your week. Because you guys are going to be ready to smash the CPI, PPI. You claim it on Discord. Here's the Discord community, and you will see me in a Discord. You're gonna see me there. People celebrating receiving accounts here. Look at that. And first. Good job. People celebrating on receiving accounts. Great job. Look at that one. Remember, guys, these are the promotions of this week. Oh, what a beautiful recovery. Nothing but as expected. Here are the promotions of the week. 3 weeks, keep on training, no Morello. Bring it on for the duck. You gotta go, Jim. You gotta go, Jim, with the duck. These are the current promotions, guys. It's on our Discord. $5.23. Yes, 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 yes. Let me show you why do we have $5.23. Where's my Lucid account? Pivx. Oh yeah. I don't know why the net PNL is not moving. The net PNL should move. No idea why the net PNL is not moving, guys. But let me show you why the big belly has $5.23. This is for August. No losses. Why would we? Look at a P&L. 379 profit from 4,500 drawdown. 90 trading days. Ha ha ha. We survived days where we had 150 grand realized loss. Daily opening here, guys. Daily opening. The reaction from the bears is quite weak. I told you earlier about the daily opening, how easily we're going to touch that. You see, it's just about a timing. So if you have buffer, or the sizing is accordingly to your buffer, because we all have buffers, if your sizing is made accordingly with the buffer, then you're good. As long as your direction and idea of trading is correct, you're gonna be good with that. That's a massive inefficiency candle here on the left side. We've longed it somewhere around this level. It shows like we've longed the top. Yeah, we've been longing a structure of the past. Look at that one, guys. It's still climbing, but I'm very happy about my accounts. It's still going. A tennis player. Yeah, Quant Tower is stuck for me as well. We got the promotion image on my Discord. I'm gonna post it right now for those of you that are interested. The current promotions. I just posted right now. Look at that one, guys. This is the updated form. Not Quant Tower promotion, no. Quantum is asking about the current promotions across the props. You want to do a screenshot about that one, or you can see it on Discord. On the main chat. Are we capable to have a V recovery like that all the way, going for the big boy target? Yeah. You need a good direction, guys, for your trade, and on top of that, you need basically a good sizing accordingly to your buffer. I'm getting out here for the moment. 15k down from 35. Yeah. 15k from 35. We're gonna clear this, guys. We're gonna clear this. I'm gonna buy probably a little bit lower if I get an opportunity, but we're gonna clear this today. This is a Lucid Flex, buddy. How many funded accounts do I have right now? For Lucid, we have 3. For FundedSeat, we only have 1, but a lot of evaluations. For Blusky, we have a single account in the buffer stage. And nothing funded. We have Savius, we've got some tap on futures as well. Yeah. I'm loading up here, guys. I'm loading up here a little bit for a continuation. This is not looking that bad for the moment. So I'm loading up for continuation. We got a daily opening here. I'm looking for some choppiness. And a continuation on top of it. Thank you, Fred. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you. These are the 3 funded we've got. I'll get out of this perfect trade. 4,600. Big bellies are making money too. It's just they're not really updating the P&L. That was a pretty good entry, especially for the other account making 4,000, 5,000. That's a massive inefficiency at the opening on 5 minute. We're not going to leave it untouched, probably for the top of it, right? Which is here. And that's around 840s. Remember, 840s. Look at that one. Quite of a candle. Pretty strong rejections there, guys. Not an issue, not an issue. We're going to make it. I just requested a payout, guys. From FundedSeat, congratulations, your payout, $250. We requested this payout from my FundedSeat. Yeah. $250, as I told you, that's what I'm going to request, the minimum. And the money has been already taken out of the account, look at that. So now I can trade basically. Thank you guys. This is the account we made money yesterday. This is the account we made money yesterday. We made 4,100 yesterday. I told you I'm going to take out 250 just to make sure I put my max loss limit on the original balance plus 100. Plus on top of that, you got to take your first payout before you touch the buffer size plus $100. That's the case on Ultra. You have to take your first payout before touching your buffer plus $100. You have to. So you can take the minimum, like I did, $250. And now I do not need to take any payouts at any specific levels. I can do 5,000 in a day right now and cash it out, which is the case scenario. I'm gonna try to trade a little here. Yeah. Yeah, he has not been here for a while. Has been away. Not sure where his Hey 12 AC is away. So basically, if I take out right now 3,700, it will work. It will work. But I'm going to lose the account, right? So I better build some balance, maybe a few extra thousands, and then take some money out. Like I said, my point is to have 5 FundedSeat Ultra funded. I'm longing it here. I'm testing along here. How to trade a $500,000 account, pivot extracts. Well, oops. It is difficult, and there is a lot of learning curve attached to that. One other thing is the flexibility you can have with such a sizing is huge. Right, so if you have the proper sizing adjusted to your drawdown model, then you have an extremely competitive environment. Yeah. So in other words, you can really perform. The way I've been pushing is 10 minis, going about the best entries possible, and leaving a lot of spot for my losses to round trip. It was a massive psychological and emotional exercise, which I'm glad for, because it contributes to my trading experience and journey in a significant way. I have been trading from the entry standpoint. Quite similar entries like the other model accounts that I have. 90 trading days we have here. 90. 3 months. This is the level we're dealing with here, guys. It's daily VWAP plus daily opening. So 760s is a struggle. And look at the number of wicks we have for the upside on every single candle we wanted to push. We're dealing with 4 candles in a row having a wick for the upside. And the current one as well. So not the best looking situation for the bulls, yet this can be nicely turned around. It's when the giveaways will happen. When I'm ready. Why are you asking the questions about the giveaways? So we have DCA'd. Yeah, we have DC'd in our position, guys. It's making money. We're 50 micros. And if this holds and runs, we're going to have a little juice here. Otherwise, I'll obviously at some point... Oh my gosh, what a nasty rejection. Look at that one. What a nasty rejection again. That level is heavily filled up by the bears. Yeah. 640. Damn. The instant funding, I cashed out 2,000 from the instant funding bolt from the first cycle, but we spend more than that on all the accounts. So I'm pushing for the ultra. We're down 48 bucks. We actually recovered at 600. I have been seeing the situations where the market is trying to push and is getting rejected, but it's not continuing downwards. And that's quite contradictory, right? Pushing for the upside, not getting rejected, coming back. Thank you, Contract Killer. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. A bit of slow right now in the markets. This is still looking nice for a continuation. I'm going to relong this. 15 contracts. Here we are. Yeah. I do not think we don't touch 840s. I don't think. For the rest of the day, of course. I could just have this 840s exit on $2,000 for this trade. Look at that one, guys. The big bellies are about to go green. They are. Yes, they are. Look at that. We got some 14 grand to recover. The volume is low. We'll see. Might be about a time to start. The last session of giveaways. That's a pretty powerful rejection, guys. About 40 points. We might sweep that 740s. Yeah. That's what we done. Yesterday's low 718. We might want to go for that one, guys. We're down 412 here. Yeah, we've got some news tomorrow. It is CPI, PPI week. Alright guys, so 2 minutes and we're starting the last round of giveaways. 2 minutes. This trade is going to remain open. This one on my big belly, I'm targeting 840s. And I think I can get higher than that. But we'll see. We'll see. Look at that pressure. If you want to see the 5-minute candle structure, well, this is working nicely so far. Quite of a choppy environment before the next wave comes. Wondering about the next 5-minute candle. $780s is what blocks us. $780s. We have a little long here. I'm out in profit. We recovered a whole loss. $50, guys. This is daily payouts from now. So tomorrow, whatever we produce, I can cash it out. I like this model. We have a 100K cap before live. Let's do the giveaways, guys. Come on. The last round. The big bell is here, and it will continue. It's not 19K down, no. It's about 14. But you'll see tomorrow the performance on the big belly. We need a ducks. We need a whale. Got in a little long. Let's see. Weekly we up 796, 795. Can we touch that? We have a $3,000 exit, guys. Look at that. Scrembo is over trading a little bit right now. That's right. Look at the sizing, 45 contracts. It's a little too much. You know, I'm stop loss break even here and that's it. $100 profit stop loss. Look at that, guys. 800. I'm selling partially. I'm profit trailing and that's it. Wow, we escaped that. Rip it. 253. That's it, guys. End of the day on this one. End of the day. You know, this thing with daily payouts, no consistency, no cap. It's so tilting. To make an extra 200 and an extra 200 and an extra 500. Well, look at that. That's why you go break even. You see the scandal? That's why. Good. Time for the ducks. And time for the wheel. Watch out, guys. What we're going to share will be a $25,000 Ignite on tap on futures instant funded. A $25,000 FundedSeat Flex. And a $50,000 YRM. Not a terrible day. No. It was close to decent. I mean, we have 6 accounts. We made 2,000. Evaluation for FundedSeat Ultra. Beautiful, guys. So get ready. You gotta like the video to participate. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Join our Discord as well and fill up the form. That's the thing. You want to make more and more. And at some point, it no longer works, so you have to stop. Stop on time. You gotta stop with everything in life before it's too late. The game is simple. We're gonna do this. Number 2 and number 8. Let me know your best choice. You can start right now. Number 2 and number 8. Come on, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Let me know your best numbers. This is be fine. Number 2 and number 8. Indeed, you have to. Turn up the pedal. Gotta think twice about that one. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle. Let's have another like this. Best of luck, everyone. To have all the 4 colors. Which color is gonna hit, guys? Come on. Which color is gonna hit? Give me your best color. Probably yellow. What do you guys think about yellow? Will you be satisfied on yellow? It's yellow. Congratulations, that's the number 2 for the winners. Good job, everyone. Ha 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 ha. Ha. That's a number 2 again. And I didn't touch the paddle at this time. So both giveaways we had today were just about number 2. What do you guys think about? "30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone." Let's go. Let me get it. Top 3 is winning. Top 3. Who's gonna speed up? Trace trades and Trace trades. Congratulations, buddy, for an instant funded 25,000. Tap on futures. Ignite. Duck Waffles for 25,000 funded seed flex. And Gonzalez running for 50,000 YRM. Congratulations. Let's see. Trace, did you fill out the form? Trace trades NQ. Yes. Good job. Waffles. Yes. Good job. You got it. And the last one, Gonzalez. Gonzalez is here for sure. Yes. Congratulations, buddy. Good job, everyone. Good job. You've done a great job right there. Thank you once again for watching, guys. Appreciate it. We're continuing tomorrow. And we've got massive red folders. So keep up, and have a great time. Wish you all the best, guys. Thank you so much. Have a blessed